Hello fellow modelers. Let us continue with adding some more details to our rear fuselage as well as build out the landing gear well and the middle section of the fuselage. This should be interesting. Let's begin. I don't know about you, but I tend to find myself doing a lot of research when adding the finer details to model planes. Nothing gets better than using a toothpick and superglue to form the finer points of an inlet. There are many aerials, antennas, and protrusion that's located on these prowlers. You just have to find the correct one, and that entails doing a lot of research. I later learned that it would have had a wider ventral antenna, but we all learn these things as time go by. Anyway, not bad. Let's continue with the stabilizer. I find that just adding these small details to a kit makes a huge difference in its presentation. It's well worth the time and effort that was put in to attach these blisters. If there are few tools, absolute essential needed when doing modeling, it would be a steel straight edge rules, preferably 15 centimeter, and then a 30 centimeter ruler, steel edge, and then tweezers, flat nose, beak, pointed, angle, very good quality tweezers, and pretty much you're halfway there to producing very decent models. It's just a habit of mine to always use a former to just check the overall shape of the paneling that's being used, and then we move on. I love when a kit starts coming together. If you like what you see so far, please consider subscribing. I'm really encouraged by the number I'm seeing, and I want to continue to build so many different paper models that you could probably learn from my mistakes to build your own and make them look so much better. Thanks. May I suggest, if you're going to build this kit, study the drawing carefully. This one involves a lot of folding and gluing and careful construction. But once assembled, I join it to the panels and I just use the former as a support and the last thing, so I can cut the former that's inside to accommodate the landing gear. Again, we're just adding extra panels onto the surface. It lends to the detail and makes the model look overall so much better. So pretty much this is where we will sign off for now, with the central pylon going on. Next time we're going to be looking at the nose and the cockpit. So much more technical, but so much more fun once completed. So until then, my friends, take care, enjoy yourself, be at peace, one love, and happy modeling.